Today we're at Langmeads Herbs in West Sussex, and they've been growing some of these products for a number of years. We want to be working with suppliers that share our values and have a shared commitment to high quality ingredients.
To ensure we get the best ingredients, we sow successionally to give us that continuous stream from coriander to flat parsley, mint, tarragon and dill.
Langmeads have employed a variety of new techniques to ensure that the ingredients they're supplied to us are as fresh for as long as possible.
Irrigation water is really important to us. Without it we can't grow our crops. We have a borehole supplying a reservoir, and that supplies us with water all year round. What's encouraging for us is that customers like HelloFresh are taking advantage of the fact that we are growing herbs every day and they are moving them to their customers as quickly as possible.
Every few months we come and visit all of our suppliers, and we're so endeared by the genuine care that goes into growing every one of our ingredients.